In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use layout pages on Squarespace. Whether you're building a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, understanding and utilizing layout pages can significantly elevate the visual appeal and functionality of your site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Squarespace and make sure that you're logged into your account. This might seem obvious, but it's a critical first step to accessing all of your site's editing features. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. As you glance around, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a menu where you can see all the websites associated with your account. It's important to make sure you select the website you want to work on. This helps avoid any confusion later, especially if you're managing multiple sites. After selecting your desired site, take a look at the options available. You will notice a tab labeled Pages. Click on this tab to open up your site's navigation structure. Adding a new page is simple. Look for the plus icon situated beside Main Navigation within the Pages menu. Clicking this icon is your gateway to a variety of page layouts. When you click it, you'll see options to select from various page layouts that Squarespace offers. Spend a moment exploring these layouts. Each is designed to cater to different types of content, allowing you to choose one that best suits your needs, whether you're showcasing products, posting articles, or sharing contact information. Once you've selected a layout that appeals to you, the next step is to click Edit. This is where you can truly customize your page, tailoring it to fit your brand's style and message. You have the freedom to edit texts, images, and more, making this a creative space where your vision comes to life. Perhaps, rather than using a pre-designed layout, you'd prefer to start from scratch. Squarespace accommodates this preference as well. Simply follow the same initial steps. Click the plus icon beside Main Navigation. This time, select Blank Page instead of choosing an existing layout. Again, click Edit to begin crafting your page exactly as you envision it. This blank canvas is perfect for those with a clear idea of what they want to build. And there you have it. By mastering these steps, you're harnessing the full power of Squarespace's layout options, making it easier than ever to create structured, aesthetically pleasing pages that will draw visitors in and keep them engaged. Enjoy building your site, and remember, the more you experiment and explore, the more unique and customized your website will be. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.